Okay children, we have discussed what is Indian place value system and also what is international place value system, right? Now we will compare these two. And already I told you that when you see both the systems are same up to 10,000 place. After that they will change. So what is the change? See, now compare Indian and international. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 10,000, up to 10,000 both the systems are same, but after that, see, here it is lakhs, but what is there here? 100,000. So always remember children, in our Indian system, 1 lakh is equals to 100,000 in the international place value. So this is Indian, this is international. So in Indian place value system, 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. So in international place value, 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So both are same, but places is different in both the systems. So first one is according to our Indian place value system. This is according to our international place value system. Next, compare this. After lakhs, what is there here children? 10 lakhs. But what is there here? Millions. What does it mean? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million in international system. These two rules you need when they ask you to compare the digits in both the Indian and the international system. So this is just like the form. So 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million. They may ask you in your filling the blanks also. They may give you a question like this. 1 million is equals to dash lakhs. And what you should write? You should write 10 lakhs. 1 lakh is equals to dash 100,000. What you will write? 100,000. Suppose they ask you a question like this. 2 lakhs is equals to dash 100,000. What you will write children? You will write it as 200,000. Why? Because 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. So 2 lakhs is equals to 200,000. If they give you here 4, here also 4. So same. Next, if they ask you a question like this, they ask you to write what is the answer for 30 lakhs. See, 30 lakhs is equals to dash million. What you will write children? We know that 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million. Then what does 30 lakhs mean? 30 lakhs is equals to 3 million. So if they give you here 60, then you should write here 6. So only this you will get confused because in lakhs 2 digits, but in million 1 digit. So if it is 10, here comes 1. If it is 20, here 2. If it is 30, here 3. Like that. Okay children? Suppose if they ask you an odd number like this, 26 lakhs is equals to dash millions dash 100,000s. Then how you will write? We know that 20 lakhs is equals to 2 million, but here again 26 lakhs. So here 2 millions 600,000. So you have to split it and write. Understood children? Next. See, let us take some examples and write them under this chart and also the number name for the given numbers. So you understood how to write them under the places, right? Now let us consider one 6-digit number and 7-digit number and write it here. See, now let us consider one 6-digit number example. 38,465. Now how we will write this in the place value chart? See 6 lakhs. So lakhs place 6. Next. See 3, 8, 4, 6, 5. Because already we have learnt when we are writing place value and face value, we have written like this now: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. But here what we are learning? We are learning how to put commas. So after completion of one period, see ones, tens, hundreds, one period is completed. Next 1,000, 10,000, one period is completed. So how we will write this? See. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. So after 3, next 1,000 period completed, so count. So 6 lakhs 38,465. But how you will write number name for this children? So we should start from left. So lakhs place. So 6 lakhs. Next 2. Total period we have to consider together and we have to write the number name for this. So 1,000 period is having 2 places. So 10,000, 1,000. So together we call it as 38. So 2 lakhs 38,000. Next 3 here. So 465. 465. So this is how we write number name and with how we put commas for a 6-digit number. Next. So same for 7-digit number. See, let us consider one more example of a 7-digit number. Take example 98,43,566. So you know that ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, and this is 10 lakhs. So after completion of each and every period, we should put comma. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma. 1,000, 10,000, comma. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. So how we will write number name for this? As I told you, total period you should consider together and write the number name for that. So we have to start from left. So here 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 98. So write 98 lakhs. Next, what is the period we are having? Thousands. So 43,000. It is 43,000. Next, 500. 66. So this is how we write place value for a 7-digit number. This is under Indian place value system. Now we will discuss how to write the number names and how to put commas for a 6 and 7-digit numbers in the international place value chart. See. So take example of a 6-digit number first. Take so I have written one 6-digit number. But in international system, how you will write this? So we know that each and every period has 3 places. After that you have to put comma. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, comma. 1,000, 10,000. Here we should not read it as lakhs because it is international system. So this is read as 100,000s. So what is this? 364,568. Now how you will write a number name for this? See, together, all the 3 together, because this 3 comes under one period only. So it is 300,000. 1000. Next, 568. So this is the number name for the given 6-digit number in the international place value.